Hey guys!
Hey!
We're back, and this time we're making slime. Here we have Dinosaur Night slime kit
Yep.
with glow in the dark.
Whoa.
Here are our
Glue.
glues and activators and shaving foam. We have
A professional. Wait, I need to find my old slime account. I bet it's still up there. Oh my god! It was me and my 3 friends. And my 2 friends, I mean, we were 3.
Why is it sped up?
It's the mixing. Sidetracked.
Let's get back.
Back to
So, we don't have spoons, so we're gonna use our hands.
yeah.
Okay, so we have color changing glue, and we have, what is that?
This is the glow in the dark glue.
Okay, we also have Elmer's Magical Liquid, confetti.
And this one's just the normal one. Which color suits you better?
Loki, this one seems kind of cool.
Okay, blue for me.
All of the glue, do we use all of the glue? Do you want color changing glue?
Can you use all of it?
Yeah.
You sure?
I will use this glue to my heart's content then.
Uh-huh.
Make sure to like shake it up.
Oh, shake it. Oh.
Ooh. Mine looks so pretty. Look at the blue. It's shiny.
If you guys need anything to push it out, just use
Oh,
this
thank
like
you.
this.
Mine looks like galore.
What's that pose? Are you actually doing it on YouTube? Excuse me.
Loki, like, why not?
It's kind of fun.
I not subscribed. This video is good. I'll see.
Well, if you stop interrupting, maybe it will.
We should do
good.
challenges. Looks like toothpaste.
Mine looks like. Now, after Nina's done with that,
We've all had our cringy stuff. We do different types of weird. Okay, what music?
pour out a teaspoon at a time.
You can.
I'm gonna eyeball it.
Okay, yeah.
That's a teaspoon. More than a teaspoon.
Wait, why is it chunky?
That's what I said.
It's like
Yeah.
bleach. Well, not bleach, but you know, right? There's like toxic stuff. Okay, I can't do this anymore.
Disgusting.
Mix it with this.
It doesn't.
Oh, it does not mix.
That's what I said.
It dropped.
Okay, it's slime forming.
Yeah. It's not my fault. That was like instinct, but like no. Do you know what we should do next? We should bake.
It's the CLICKBAIT pancake.
I different music.
Alright.
What do you want to put?
I don't know.
So, choose whatever you want.
Nina, I don't know.
Hey.
Most of this is aliens.
Yeah.
Oh, the blue guy.
Right? He's blue, right?
This
is
is look
him.
like that.
Uh-huh.
Slimified. They're changing.
And this is
Slime
what's mine?
looks
Glow
nasty.
in the dark.
Yeah.
I made a heart.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Ish.
It did. Ooh. Ooh.
Just say it.
Why not? Why won't you sing?
Because singing
killed my grandma,
okay? My uncle broke his neck. Tap that shit once.
Mine's way too tough. I can't.
Switch. Need to name these slimes.
Yep. Jack Frost, but
Ooh.
saying.
Okay.
What's green? Stop it.
I can't breathe when you're not there.
Anyways, hashtag cancelled.
We're gonna call it hashtag cancelled. Nina, I know what this is. What? This is the Dream and Gumball fight.
Oh my god. Oh my, that's perfect. What? Yeah.
Dream versus Gumball.
Whose side are you on?
Comment down below.
Yeah.
Stop talking to little kids.
They did go up a little, I think.
A little.
Yeah, the boys.
Yeah. Better now.
They're better.
You know who got worse though?
Golf camera?
He's like, let me give you relationship advice.
From you?
When that girl you don't talk to anymore, like, just becomes a faint memory.
Is that you?
No, that can't. This is new. Who's she?
Has eyes you can get lost in. Nobody wants to look at you.
No one can look at your eyes, buddy. They turn to stone.
That's too dangerous to me. No, one time we went really close up to him, and I think I got like flashing. It was like way too bright. I had to like back away.
Not like bright in the wow. Wait,
No,
like,
terrible.
Time.
Okay.
See you in the next video.
Bye. Like and subscribe like always, and
Comment down below what we should do next.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.